What's up, guys? Day trading knockouts here. I got a very short video for today. Just a quick close of day analysis to get ready for the FOMC meeting minutes we got tomorrow at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And nothing has changed from Monday to the Tuesday session that much, really. The only thing that's changed is my damn cameras being an asshole. But so, with that being said, guys, let's get into the video. So, as you can see here on the chart, we opened at $529.57, and on Tuesday today we opened at $529.28, and we closed pretty much below the highs of $531.56, pretty much closing within the same range. So, with that being said, I personally, how I would get it. Well, first off, I'm not going to be trading at all because of the FOMC meeting minutes and my personal rules. I don't trade 2 days prior, 1 day prior, or the day of any type of FOMC, Fed, J Powell type of big time news release like that. So, real quick, I'll just show you right here. Anytime I get one of these right here, let me see. Anytime I get one of these. Anytime I get one of these right here, let me see. That's for May 23rd, not tomorrow. Something like an FOMC meeting minutes, something like Jerome Powell is set to speak, any FOMC press conference, anything along those lines with the very important impact on the Forex Factory website. Those are my rules when it comes to that, due to what typically happens. Because 2 days and 1 day prior, big institutions like to hold and wait for Jerome Powell, whoever's going to be speaking, to usually Jay Powell, to make the market have the big moves and affect the market in the way that it usually does. So I just like to avoid all that in general, as I would lose money back then from doing that. And as mentioned, we have a lot of bullish momentum on higher time frame charts. We're having higher highs, higher lows, and bulls are starting to do better. So, with that being said, I'm trying to find ways to get in bullish along the way, but with the proper setups. And what I would be looking for would either be just a straight continuation up, but I would need a proper 15-minute higher time frame entry. Something good, not something solid, obviously. And my targets, if we were to get into that, if I was to trade tomorrow, would be $533, and then $534 would be the optimal target. Now, if we're going to do a retest and a pullback, which is obviously something I preferably favor, because I'm the type of person that likes to get in a discounted entry with a pullback, I would say look for any type of bullish chart patterns around $527.91. And our targets would be $529.40, and then $530, and 40 cents would be the optimal target. And in terms of being picky and just being careful and cautious with your setups, the setups I would be looking to avoid, I wouldn't trade anything between this range right here of $531.56 to $527.91. That's just because, in my opinion, that's more neutral to me. And then also because I'm looking for the best and highest quality type of trades to get in long. And these are both good. This is a good retest level, showing where bears try to step it up and failed. And this is just also another rip to the high where more FOMO and more buyers will want to get involved, obviously. And then, obviously you have here with the gap open and, the full gap right here. But again, we'll adjust depending on what happens. We would adjust depending on a gap up or gap down close open on the day. But again, that's too far out as of right now, because if we open below, obviously, you see what I'm saying, it would be a gap, blah, blah, blah. And same things as I always say in other videos, don't chase the market, wait for the proper pullback entries, wait for the proper 15-minute higher time frame confirmations, and also make sure that you have higher standards with the trades and don't take low quality setups. So that's pretty much I got all for today. Be aware of the 2 p.m. Meeting minutes that we got tomorrow. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to do that and not to sound retarded. See you guys later. Hope the best for you. Stay green and be easy, guys.